Hello and welcome to Primary Earth Maths Magic. Today we're going to be learning about formal subtraction, renaming Lesson 2, Year 3. Let's get started. Have a look at this question. I calculate that 578 subtract 60 equals 572. What did I do wrong and what is the correct answer? To have a go yourself, pause this video now. Okay, let's have a look how to solve this problem. So 578 subtract 60 equals 572 is incorrect. Instead of taking the tens away from our bigger number here, we've taken the tens away from
the ones,
making 572. What we should have done is taken 578 and then subtract 60 from the correct columns. So 8 subtract 0 is 8, 70 subtract 60 is 10, and 0 subtract 500 is 500. So we come up with the correct answer, which is 518. Now let's have a look at our method. The question is 608 subtract 135. For the formal subtraction method, we have arranged these numbers into their place value columns, ones, tens and hundreds.
If you would like to have a go at this question yourself, you can pause this video now.
Let's start with our ones column. Our question is 8 subtracted by 5, which is 3. So we put that under our ones column. Next we look at our tens column. 0 subtracted by 3, which we can't do, so we're going to have to rename in order to do this question. So we go to our 6 in our hundreds column and rename that into a 5. And then we take our hundreds that we've borrowed and put it next to our tens here, making the number 10. So now our question reads 10 subtracted by 3, which is 7. We put that in our tens column. Finally, we check our hundreds column here. We can see that our number is 5 subtracted by 1, which equals 4. We put that in our hundreds column here. Should look something a little bit like this. So our question was 608 subtracted by 135, and our answer is 473. Okay, think you've got the hang of this method? Challenge yourself by solving these calculations using the method we just practiced. Pause this video now to have a go. Right, let's check our answers. 847 subtract 653 equals 194. Our next question was 683 subtract 591, which equals 92. 705 subtract 655, which equals 50. And finally, 589 subtract 294, which equals 295. Well done for giving that a go. If you made a few mistakes, go back and watch this method again. If you got them all right, let's try some maths mastery. Take a look at this calculation. It has some missing numbers. Use your knowledge of this method to find the missing numbers. To give yourself time to work this out, you can pause this video now. Okay, let's take a look at our ones column first. So we can see that our 0, which was our first number, could not be subtracted by our unknown number here to make 5. So we've had to rename. So our number from here, we took our 1 from our tens here to make it 0 and carried it over to our ones column to make 10. So 10 subtract something equals 5. That means our missing number here is 5. Let's have a look at our tens column. We now have a 0 here. So 0 subtract something equals nothing. So our missing number must be 0 also. Finally, we look at our hundreds column, which has already been done for us, which is 5 subtract 2, which equals 3. Giving us a final answer. So 510 subtract 205 equals 305. Now's your chance to rate your understanding of this method. If you rated yourself a 1, you fully understand the concept and can solve different problems using this method. If you rate yourself a 2, you can understand how to solve the problem and are ready for a challenge. And if you rate yourself a 3, you're starting to understand the concept but need a little bit more help. If you rated yourself a 3 or a 2, watch the video again to become more confident using this method. If you rated yourself a 1, you can move on to formal method multiplication lesson 1, year 3. Did you know you can download resources for this lesson by visiting our Primary Earth shop at TES. Simply scan the QR code with your phone or tablet camera, or click the link in the description below. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching our Maths Magic video. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment to let us know, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you again soon.